Hi, this is Andrey. Today we'll look into a question that I get asked quite frequently. Should I run search campaigns along with shopping campaigns? We'll look into four things: how search campaigns work for you, when to run search, how to run search, and how to select search keywords. When you look at search engine results page, on very top you will see shopping ads. Shopping ads dominate SERPs. After them go search ads, and underneath are organic results. So you might ask, why do I even need search ads if shopping ads are always on top? Well, your ad might not be on a shopping ads position because of competition and many other things, while carefully crafted search ads can bring new visitors and even buyers. Let's see how search ads actually help account to convert. These are examples of conversion paths of accounts that run both search and shopping campaigns. In the first example, the purchase journey initiated by a click on a brand search ad. Then in the middle, someone clicked on a shopping campaign, and after some other touch to non-search channel, visitor converted, purchased. In the second example, the buying journey was triggered by the non-brand search ad for tables product category, and after several touches on shopping and search ads, it actually converted after viewing shopping ad from a different category, benches, which is kind of interesting. In the third example, the conversion started from a shopping ad and search ad helped it in the middle, and then it was converted. As you can see, search ads not only initiate searches, but also work in unison with shopping ads to complete conversions. Here's an example of an account with 3 product categories, which runs both search and shopping campaigns for each category. And the first 3 sets of data are search campaign results, and the last 3 are shopping campaign results. You can see that the most of revenue, the red bar, comes from shopping campaigns. Search ads also do bring some revenue with decent enough ROAS. Now, when to run search? The most important is make sure you've optimized your feed and shopping campaigns before adding search campaigns, because shopping campaigns, and we saw before, they are the main way to bring revenue and to bring efficiency to your account. Maybe you have optimized a shopping campaign, but it's not profitable anymore, meaning that you cannot bring more revenue with the same return on ad spend that you had before. Or it could be that your shopping campaigns don't bring revenue at all, or bring not enough revenue comparing to the spend. How to run search? The most important here is to find good keywords. To do that, you monitor the search terms report that can be found on standard shopping campaigns only, not on smart shopping campaigns, and identify potential keywords. You put them in a separate ad groups or sometimes campaigns, run search campaign and compare the results. Of course, the most important here with running search campaign is to find the right keywords. Let's look at example of a live account. A store is selling neon and LED signs for home bars and garages. After running the account for 30 days, we look at the search term report, look for the most successful phrases that gathered enough clicks and brought revenue. And we see that those phrases that bring the most efficient ROAS are open sign, brand name, and something about man cave. And those are good candidates for the search keywords for your search campaign. And that's how you select keywords for your search campaigns. So hopefully I've answered the question. Possibly some things are not clear and maybe I ran too quickly about them. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to create a new video just for you. Thank you and have a good day.